We are back at Fisherman's Wharf, only we're not in San Francisco, right?
Not anymore right now.
No, we're in another Fisherman's Wharf.
Monterey.
We're in the Monterey Fisherman's Wharf. We're excited. I've never been here before.
Me neither.
We're excited to explore. We're always excited.
It looks cool. I mean, so far we just drive in. There's not a lot of people, but it looks really cool.
We're just gonna go peruse ourselves around the wharf and see what we discover. And we were gonna do the aquarium, but due to COVID, it's closed. We've heard it's one of the best ones, and we were excited about that. We were hoping that we could get in, but unfortunately, that's not gonna happen. But we're gonna make the best out of it, because I think that's the trick with COVID, is that you have to really learn how to navigate through it. You have to make the best out of it. So
this is true.
When you're traveling. So yeah, we're gonna go peruse and have fun. Join us.
Check it out, and
Toodles and noodles.
Peace. Okay, so we just saw a dude with a sign that says, "Why lie? I want a beer." So we're gonna go get him a beer. That's what it's all about. Just random acts of kindness sometimes, you know? Hey man, it's your lucky day.
Funny that you had to sign up because we were gonna get this guy.
Happy dude.
The wharf is right there, Fisherman's Grotto.
House is the oldest government building in California. Been crying all the time, yeah. You ain't never caught no rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. To go out and have some food right now. We're gonna go have a clam chowder. And by the way, if you haven't met this guy over here, he's cool as hell. We've made a little friend, a little buddy.
We've been hanging out with him for a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean,
He's telling us his stories.
We don't have any fish to feed him, but like we're gonna go grab some. We might go to Grottos, we might go to Scales. Holy crap, I have to be like juxtaposing myself to keep up with this camera. And we'll get him some fish, because this dude, he's like,
Let's go see the seals. Let's go get the seals.
Maybe he wants to go hang out with the seals. And
I want to hang out with the seals.
Our next plan of action.
Seals? You.
Just give you a thumbs up. I don't know why. But there you go.
Don't poop on me. Get a glimpse of the guys up here.
So the rec trail, she says if you keep on going to the rec trail,
Yeah.
and it'll eventually pan off and you see
For real? Let's
the
go.
rec trail. But first we're gonna grub.
Okay, let's go grub.
I'm starved. Sorry, baby.
Let's do it. First eating,
Yeah.
then seal watching. Whole red snapper.
The train, the one that's in the back, the special one we have today.
You got a hell of a nice seat.
We really did. This is a nice choice.
Wow.
Scales. We were hoping for grottos, but scales I think is going to work out really well too. Yes, indeed.
So at some point, me and Cari would like to actually get a boat. And if we do, we're gonna end up like that couple over there.
No, he's lying. We're gonna get a catamaran. Like, I've had a boat. We're gonna get a catamaran.
We're gonna get a catamaran.
To get to one place or another, we're gonna have to do what this couple is doing.
They look like they're living the life.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get on a dinghy. I'm afraid.
We're doing it. We're getting a dinghy and a boat.
I think
Boat and a dinghy.
next, after we're land sharks, we're gonna be, we're gonna get on the ocean.
Get on the ocean, because this is life. Oh my goodness. Very nice. This is the halibut, yeah? That was so freaking good.
Very good.
Oh my god, I'm stuffed.
I have a little surprise for you.
A little surprise for me.
Yeah, just open your mouth. It's not a lot. I thought I had more.
Chocolate. Good.
Yeah, it's spice.
Wharf.
It's a lovely brownie.
Oh, we're gonna go say hello to the pelicans. I love the pelicans. Pelicans are my favorite. I want to get a tattoo of a pelican. I do. I like pelicans. Oh my god, I love pelicans. You know why I love pelicans?
Why do you love pelicans?
Because they're happy, man. They're cool. They got this big old gula gula on their thing. They got the big old pouch on there.
Yeah, they do.
That's where they hold the beer. Monterey, you got it going on. ¿Qué bochón? Todo el mundo corriendo, nosotros caminando. You want to play with them? Have any
This
food?
is bullshit. We don't have any sardines in our pockets.
No sardines, no nothing.
Who doesn't walk around with sardines in their pocket?
I know. So we just made some friends right now.
We ate all the sardines.
We had some fish.
We ate all the fish, man, and like we have nothing to feed these guys, and they're so cute.
They're really beautiful. Really beautiful. And then let me show you this guy here. He's ginormous. That's him right there. These are the girls. I'm hanging with the girls. The girls are where it's at. They're beautiful. Ay, Caridad. You have gone back into childhood.
You did ate all the sardines. I had a lot of them. He ate them.
We're having such a good time out here.
This guy is scratching his derriere, which I do daily. So I understand him. I sympathize.